Hello viewers, who is Tom Cruise? Remorse girlfriend Hailey Atwell. Twitter reacts to dating speculation. Tom Cruise has been sparking dating rumors as several websites alleged that his girlfriend is Hailey Atwell. If you are wondering who is Hailey after spotting the two at Wimbledon, we have got the answer for you. The pair had been attending the women's singles finals at Wimbledon on July 10th. It does not come as a surprise that they managed to steal the spotlight when they arrived at the event. Dressed in blue suit, Tom beamed with happiness as Hailey walked alongside him. The pair was accompanied by Pom Clemente, who is Hailey Atwell. Hailey is a British and American actress. She has appeared in several movies and was even part of Mission Impossible 7. As per her IMDb profile, Hailey has dual citizenship in the United Kingdom and the United States. From a young age, Hailey was introduced to theatre as her mother saw it as an important communal experience. The actress did her schooling at St. Manning Roman Catholic Girls' School in West London. Following this, she attended London Oratory School before continuing her further studies. Hailey decided to take 2 year break. During this time, she traveled with her father and assisted as casting director. Finally, she graduated from Guildhall School, Guildhall School of Music and Drama with a degree in acting. Relationship with Tom Cruise explored. The rumors about Tom dating Hailey first surfaced online in December 2020. The Sun reported that the pair had been spotted holding hands during the film screening. The outlet went on to quote on one of the sources who shed more light on Tom and Hailey relationship. The source said Tom and Hailey hit it off from day one. Lockdown and all the difficulties that come with it brought them even closer, and they have become fairly inseparable. Twitter reacts to dating rumors. Fans are finding it hard to believe that the two might be dating. In fact, many did not shy away from expressing their thoughts on the same. One user wrote, Hailey Atwell and Tom Cruise are dating. This is the worst news I have heard all week. If Hailey Atwell is really dating Tom Cruise, will Carey said. She or was said. Another joked by writing, what the what? Tom Cruise is dating Peggy Carter. Oh, Steve Roger, not gonna be too happy out this. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share my channel. Thanks for watching.